Hey guys, welcome to myteachacademy.com, and here in this presentation we are going to discuss volume of cylinder. And in this presentation we are going to discuss this topic under 3 sections. So coming to the first section, we are going to deal with the introduction to volume of cylinder, and then in the next section we are going to discuss the formula to find the volume, and then in the next section we are going to discuss few examples. So then coming to the introduction of volume of cylinder. So first let us learn what is volume. So volume is a measurement of amount of space contained within a 3-dimensional shape. And now let me explain what is volume of cylinder. So here we have a rough diagram of cylinder. So here volume includes the amount of space inside the cylinder and also the areas of all the surfaces. And volume is measured in cubic units. And then coming to the volume of cylinder. So volume of cylinder is given by just multiplying the area of base into the height. So here area of the base, that is circle, is equal to pi r squared square units. So substituting that here, we get the formula as pi r square into h, that is height, cubic units, as the volume of cylinder. And now let me explain an example using this formula. So here there is an example. Say lateral surface area of a cylinder which is equal to 176 centimeter square, and the base area is 38.5 centimeter square. Then find its volume. So here we are given a base area, that is area of circle, pi r square, which is equal to 38.5 centimeters square. And then transferring the value of pi to the right hand side, we get r square equal to 38.5 into 7 by 22, that is the reciprocal of the value of pi. And here by simplifying, we get 11 2 times is 22 and 11 3.5 times is 38.5. So then implies we get here r square equal to 7 by 2, that is the value of 3.5 into 7 by 2. So here we get r square equal to 7 by 2 square. So we get r equal to 7 by 2 centimeters here. And we already know that lateral surface area of cylinder is given by the formula 2 pi r h as discussed in the previous video. So here we get 2 into the value of pi, that is 22 by 7 into r 7 by 2 into the height h. So h remains the same. And then this lateral surface area is equated to the given lateral surface area 176. And then simplifying here, we get 7 one time is 7 and 7 one time is 7. And then 2 one time is 2 and 2 one time is 2 again. So here we get 22h is equal to 176, and then transferring 22 to the right hand side, we get h equal to 176 divided by 22. And then simplifying here, we get 22 one time is 22 and 22 8 times is 176. So hence we get height equal to 8 centimeters over here. And then coming to the volume of cylinder. So volume is given by the formula pi r square h cubic units. So substituting all the values in the formula, we get 22 divided by 7 into r square, that is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into the height h, that is 8 centimeters. Here 7 gets cancelled, and then 2 one time is 2 and 2 4 times is 8. And again here 2 one time is 2 and 2 11 times is 22. And then multiplying all the terms in the numerator, we get 308 cubic centimeters as the volume of cylinder. And then coming to the next example, the cross section of a beam of a square of a side is 1.4 meters and its length is 10 meters. And then it is made into a longest possible cylinder. So find the volume and wood wasted in making it. So here we are given with side of a square which becomes the diameter, which is equal to 1.4 meters, and then radius will be equal to half of diameter. So we get here 1.4 divided by 2, which is equal to 0.7 meters as the radius. And then given length, which will be the height of the cylinder, will be equal to 10 meters. And then it is made into the longest possible cylinder. So first let us find the volume of cylinder, and we already know that volume of cylinder is given by the formula pi r square h cubic units. And then substituting the values, we get here 22 divided by 7 into r square, that is 0.7 into 0.7 into the height 10 meters. So here by simplifying, we get the result as 15.4 meters cube. And now let us find the volume of beam. So volume of beam is given by just multiplying the sides, that is 1.4 into 1.4 into the length 10. So here by multiplying, we get the product as 19.6 meters cube. And now let us find the volume of wood wasted. So volume of wood wasted can be given by subtracting volume of beam and the volume of cylinder. So here we get 19.6 minus 15.4. And by subtracting, we get 4.2 meters cube as the volume of wood wasted. And then coming to the percentage of wood wasted will be equal to 4.2, that is volume of wood wasted divided by volume of beam, that is 19.6 into 100. So here by simplifying, we get 21.4% as the result of percentage of wood wasted. So this was a basic introduction on volume of cylinder. Hope you understood the concept. Do like and subscribe to vdchacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.